Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable peer-to-peer calls for everyone on Telegram using the latest update. This setting improves call quality by allowing a direct connection between you and the person you're calling, instead of routing everything through Telegram servers. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all your account and privacy options. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls how your data and interactions are managed on Telegram. Now, look for the Calls option and tap on it. Here, you'll find several settings related to voice calls. Find the option labeled Use Peer-to-Peer With and tap on it. This is the key setting that controls who can establish a direct connection with you during calls. You'll now see a few options. To enable peer-to-peer calls for everyone, simply select Everybody. Once selected, apply the changes. That's it. Peer-to-peer calling is now enabled for all your Telegram calls. Keep in mind that while this setting can improve call quality and reduce delays, it may also expose your IP address to the person you're calling. If privacy is a concern, you can always switch this setting back to contacts only or nobody. And that's how you enable peer-to-peer calls for everyone on Telegram. Quick, simple, and done in just a few taps.